put the Christmas tree up.
There he is.
Let's see. Ornaments. Okay. Do you want to take her? And you two do it? Okay. Or we'll just... Oh, no. Okay. Let's just do it, three of us then. Cameraman, Dad. Okay. We're doing our yearly traditions. Cece's gonna put it up. And then Aliyah. Look. Is this...
That's just not funny. That's actually quite mean. I feel bullied.
Yay.
I am not this tall.
Yay.
It doesn't go on. We had this issue last year, guys. It doesn't go on.
Come on, you're 6 footer.
It's not straight. Hang on.
If you're a true Filipina, you would never be able to reach the top.
Well, that's not
They're gonna bash you. Filipinos are my audience, huh?
Hey Google, landslide off.
straight.
There you go. And lights on. Oh, okay. Alright. Look, our tree is up. Yeah, there you go. Cece's.
God.
Okay, photo please, Dad, from your phone.
Okay, girls, ready?
Aliyah, look at Dad.
1, 2.
Hello. So, time check. 11:15 na ng gabi. Tapos na tayong mag-decorate ng bahay. Hay, nako. Medyo stressful kasi because, ayun nga, si Aliyah is with us and she was really tired kanina when we were having decoration sa bahay. So, kinuha pa namin yung mga decorations, mga Christmas tree doon sa attic. So, tas nakabalik kami from the shops. 4 o'clock, mga ganun. So, medyo pagod na din si Aliyah kanina. Kaya, nakatulog siya, mga bandang 7 o'clock. Tapos, si Andy and Sam. So, nung nagde-decorate kami, sumama actually si Summer. Kasi tradition talaga namin dito sa bahay na mag-decorate together ng Christmas tree. Sinasama talaga namin siya. Kasi, one time, hindi siya nakasama kasi wala siya. Tapos, sa bahay din nila, nung naglagay sila ng Christmas tree sa bahay nila, wala din siya. So, hindi siya inantay nung nanay niya. So, on that year, hindi siya nakapag-put up ng Christmas tree. Kaya, parang sinabihan niya yung daddy niya na hindi siya masaya kasi hindi siya nakapag-ano ng Christmas tree that year. Kami naman, okay, the next time, we make sure na andito ka kapag we put the Christmas tree up. So, kaya ang ginagawa ko na ngayon, ini-invite ko sila sa calendar para, kung may lakad siya, ganun, sasabihan niya kami para tsaka maiano din niya, kumbaga mailagay din niya sa diary niya on that weekend. Mostly naman weekend yung pagka-Christmas decor namin. Alam niya na pupunta siya dito sa bahay on that weekend. Meron pala kaming i-introduce na bago kay Aliyah this year. Though hindi pa niya maiintindihan. Pero makikita niya to sa vlog namin. For sure. So, i-reveal ko na lang sa inyo later kung ano yun. Pero, something fun. Tsaka, it's a tradition for Christmas. For sure, narinig nyo na to sa Philippines. Pero, I didn't do this as a child. Pero, parang early 2000 lang ata naging uso to eh. So, i-reveal ko na lang pag andyan na. Sa 1st of December, first vlogmas natin siya i-reveal kung ano yung tradition na yon for Christmas. Sabi nila, once na umpisahan mo na daw, you have to keep it up every Christmas. Kailangan hindi mo i-stop. Ay! Andito na naman si Lady. Diyos mio. Lady! You had your treat! Ha? Kung si Ate Lady gusto na naman ng treat o feeling ko gusto niyang lumabas. Siguro na si CR. Wait lang. Lady, wait, darling. Okay, guys. Ayan. Tapos na akong maglinis ng kusina. Ayan. Malinis na. Ito na lang yung basurahan. Ilalabas ko. Pero gabi na kasi. 11 o'clock na. Kaya hindi ko na ilalabas. Bukas na lang. So, papakita ko lang yung decoration dito sa kusina. Ito lang naman yung nilalagay ko ng ornament sa kusina. Ito. Tapos, naglagay ako ngayon ng wreath dito sa kitchen, sa hood. Tsaka, meron lang ako dito ang simple na Advent candle. So, we will light this 4 Sundays prior to Christmas Day. So, I think first will be tomorrow. Mabango to. Apple ang kanyang flavor. I can taste it. So, yan. So, this has been my tradition since we had the house. Yung magsisindi ng candles, Advent candles, every Sunday, 4 Sundays before Christmas. So, it's the peace, hope, joy, and love. Ayan. So, and then meron akong simple touches here ng ating tea towel. And then, this is also tea towel na may Christmas. Ayan. Sa CR, meron din ornaments. Pero hindi ko napapakita sa inyo. Tapos, dito sa main sala namin, ito, meron ako ditong bells. Meron din tayo ditong, hey Google, media wall on. Yan. So,
turning two things on.
pina-on ko kay Andy na pink yung background ng TV namin. Meron tayo ditong stockings, Christmas stockings. Ito, we put this up since we moved here sa house. Nung pinagawa namin tong fireplace namin. So, every year, we put up our socks. Ayan. So, A is for Andy, Grace, Summer, Aliyah, and Lady. And small touches ng house is this, yung accent na table, what do you call this one? Sofa or accent chair. Mahaba to actually. Tapos, meron lang ditong Merry Christmas. And then, yung aking tartan na blanket. Naglagay din ako ng bells dyan. And then, this is our Christmas tree. Ayan. Ayan. Pink siya ngayon. Tsaka ito si Pam Pam. So, si Pam Pam, i-introduce ko siya sa inyo sa Vlogmas. Ito, hi Pam! Ayan. Yan yung friend natin from North Pole. Meron na din kami guys na Advent calendar na chocolate. It's Cadbury Dairy Milk. So, Merry Christmas. So, every day, may mga numbers yan. Yan. So, unahin namin yung number 1, number 2, ganyan. So, every day, magbubukas kami ng chocolate. So, for the kids, if they have one of these, of course, daily silang makakakain ng chocolates. And then, under our Christmas tree are our Christmas Eve box. Ayan. Ako ang nagpupuno ng Christmas Eve box. Pero si Andy yung sa akin. Yun. So, ako yung naglalagay ng laman ng Christmas Eve box. Mostly, ang laman ng Christmas Eve box namin, pajamas for Christmas night, the night before Christmas, ornament. Every year, may kanya-kanya kaming ornament. Pero, ilalagay namin yung mga ornament namin on Christmas Eve. So, tradition din yan namin, guys. Nila Summer, Daddy, and now with Aliyah. Ano pa ba? This one. So, ito is a Christmas village. Christmas Wonderland. So, this is my first ever Christmas village. So, I'm planning to collect this for until Aliyah is old. Ayan. Then, ayun natin. Battery operated to. Ayan. On number 1. Ayan. Wow. Umiikot yung Christmas tree. Ayan. May isa pa sa kabilang side. Ito, umiikot lang siya. Walang music. Ayan. So, di ba yung Christmas village, guys, maraming iba-ibang parang stations na ganyan na houses. Ito is a library. So, ito yung una kong binili. Kasi tignan nyo, guys, it's a book. Merry Christmas, then si Santa. And, it's a story of Christmas. So, balak ko na every year, I will buy one piece of Christmas Village. Kasi medyo pricey pala siya, guys. Hindi ko kayang bumili ng 5 ganito sa isang go. Pero, ang naisip ko, bibili ako every year. And then, na iba-iba. And then, pagsasamahin ko every year until I build up yung tinatawag ng Christmas village. Until Si Elia would be around 7, 8, 9. Siguro malaki na yung collection namin. And then we can put up into a nice, totoong parang village. Yan. So, village ng ganito. So, may mga ice skating rink, meron dyang baker, meron dyang shop, houses, trees, yung mga ganon. So, ilalagay ko dito guys yung picture na nabivisualize ko. So, this year is Aliyah's second year. So, nag-start na tayo ng panibagong tradition. So, lagay natin sa stop to. Ayan. Right. Meron tayo ditong Holy Family. So, ito si Jesus, Joseph, iikot ko kayo. Ayan. Holy Family. So, Jesus, Joseph and Mary, and angel. And this is the shepherd. And the donkey and the sheep. And then, ito yung 3 kings. Ayan. So, dito sila this year. Normally, dun sila sa labas. Sa may, pintuan. Pero this year, nilagay ko sila dito. Ayan. Then, meron din ako ditong ornament na simple lang. Ganyan. Pang-accent lang what do you call this one? Dito. Sa part na to. Tsaka binilhan din namin si Aliyah ng Christmas globe. Ayan. Si Father Christmas. Tapos tumutunog din to guys. Ito yung first Christmas globe ni Aliyah. So, si Father Christmas ay nasa North Pole. Ayan. So magical, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Anyway, guys. So, medyo napagod kami. Pero, worth it naman lahat. Kasi, it's a family thing on Christmas. Especially kids nowadays. Oh, kids, it's for the kids. So, we have 2 kids, guys. So, kailangan we make sure na we make the Christmas nice, memorable, and something that they remember, hopefully, until they get old. Na, oh yes, actually, we've done this. This is our tradition when, I was a kid. And things na they can carry with them when they are adult. And hopefully, they'll do the same to their kids. Because though Christmas is, minsan parang isipin mo, parang pinagkakakitaan lang, ganun, because it's so expensive pag Christmas. Pero, guys, it is something that we celebrate because of Jesus. So, since I believe na we all doing this because of Christ, He came down here on earth to save us from our sins and give us salvation. This is nothing. Like in celebration of that alone, His birth is really something to celebrate, isn't it? Na gusto mo ding i-share yung blessings mo sa ibang tao and also your faith. So, yeah. So, nakaka-relax pag ganito na ako na lang. Yung pala si lady, yun siya. Oh, ayan. Natutulog na, humihilik na. Pero ako, may 1 hour pa ako bago ako aakyat. So, I have to make the most of it. Ayun. So, anyway guys, thank you sa pagsama sa amin ngayong araw na to. So, till sa panibagong vlog namin, ano? So, see you again next time.